All right, Eric Stromquist here, man, with an old friend. If you followed the show for a while, you know who this character is. Well, you might not because he looks a little different. Aaron Gorka, formerly of Van Technology. You sold that. Had a couple of kids.
Had a couple of kids.
Yeah, so tell our audience what you've been up to, brother.
Well, yeah, hey, everybody. It's nice to see you. It's been a long time. It's been a couple of years, hanging out. It feels like a whole 10 years went by in that COVID, doesn't it? Well, happy back. I'm missing my partner in crime. Brent Burrows is hanging out in Atlanta. He's solving control problems out there. He wasn't allowed to come and hang out with us, in this part of the world.
Yeah, so we're at Controltrends, man. What do you think of the show so far? We're going to get back to Brent in a second. So, Brent, you better stay tuned.
It's been great so far. Last night, we were up at the top floor there. It was a great view of the city. We went down, we closed the bar down as usual. There's no party like a Cochrane party. Everybody knows that's been to one of them.
Yep.
So I'm looking forward to seeing what's going on here. And tomorrow, that Legends presentation.
It's going to be great. Yeah, it's going to be good. It's going to be good. Well, listen, Aaron's got an announcement to make. Brent, hopefully you're paying attention. Those of you who remember Aaron and Brent had a podcast called Next Generation Innovation, one of the most popular podcasts we've ever had. Aaron, is it true that you and Brent are bringing out next generation innovation after kids?
That's what the rumor has it. We're getting a little bit of pressure from Controltrends to bring it back, which is okay. That's what we need to do, kickstart it back up. Well, life changes when you have kids, right? And as being one of the kids in the industry running around, you don't realize it until you have the kids how difficult work actually is.
Yeah.
When you have them. You got to sleep. That 10 to 2 a.m. kind of slot's gone because you got kids now.
Yeah, you and Brent cut that out because you're going to be recording the podcast from 10 to 2 a.m. now, right?
That might be what it has to be, isn't it? Brent's like, I get up too early on the tools, man.
Well, Brent, if you guys hadn't checked out, Brent Burrows, one of the great Niagara programmers and all-around great systems integrator with Intech Solutions out of Atlanta. And Aaron, you sold Ant Technologies, but you're back in the contracting business, Aaron, full-time, right?
100%. Been focused on PMs, like HVAC, BAS, preventive maintenance. You kind of got to have that. HVAC PM, everybody knows you need, but BS preventive maintenance keeps your SMAs up to date. You can find all the sensors proactively, and you can turn work, right? It's spin rates, right? From there, small projects. Anything under 75 grand is kind of where I hang out. Anything more than that, I don't have the attention to detail to be able to hang out, make sure I don't miss any of those valves, right?
It's kind of another thing about having kids, right? I mean, the attention to details wanes a little bit. How do people get a hold of you guys?
Aaron G at aerongroup.ca.